Hello friends, welcome to Tech Guru. In today's video, we are discussing about the one of the course of SWAYAM NPTEL, which is non-conventional energy resources. It is 12-week course. Now we will be discussing about the weekly assignment of non-conventional energy resources of week 8. So our first question is question first. How does solar energy affect windmill operations? Option 1. Solar energy affect air density and impact weather patterns. Solar energy enable natural convection. Solar energy has no impact on windmill operation. Solar energy heat the blade, which make them generate electricity based on the photovoltaic effect. And the right answer is solar energy affect air density and impact weather patterns, and solar energy enable natural convections. Question 2. When the leaf type horizontal axis windmill experience wind crossing it. Options. Blade tip will move with the more speed than the position in the middle of length of the blade. The blade tip will move with the more velocity than the position in the middle of the length of the blade. The blade tip will as well as a position in the middle of the length of the blade will move with the same velocity. Blade tip will move with the less velocity than a position of the middle of the length of the blade. And the right answer is the blade tip will move with the more speed than a speed position in the middle of the length of the blade, and blade tip will move with the more velocity than the position in the middle of the length of the blade. Question 3. Wind speed approaching a windmill is typically dash relative to the wind speed after crossing the windmill. Equal, more, less, 0. And the right answer is more. Question 4. In an aerofoil shape kind of windmill blade by of the air molecules at the top of and bottom is Options. Path traveled different, wind speed different, pressure experience different, path traveled same. And the right answer is path traveled different, wind speed different, pressure experience and different. Question 5. All windmills can function throughout the day, year and season irrespective of their location. The statement is options. Always true, always false, true if the wind speeds are within an acceptable range, true if sunlight is within an acceptable range. And the right answer is true if wind speed are within the acceptable range. Question 6. Windmill blades satisfy the condition of high torque and reducing physiological impact on the people near the site. Options. 1 long, 3 long, 1 long and curve, 4 long. And the right answer is 3 long. Question 7. While manufacturing blade and other part of the windmill, it is important for us to think about 2-3 decade down the line for the of the material. Safe disposal, possibility of recycling, environmental impact of large scale and distributed uses, natural color enhancement. And the right answer is safe disposal, possibility of recycling, environmental impact of large scale and distributed uses. Question 8. Increasing the height of windmill tower will. Options. Increase the overall cost of the infrastructure, decrease the wind speed faced by the blade, increase power generated, increase wind shear, and the right answer is increase overall cost of the infrastructure, increase the power generated, increase the wind shear. Question 9. According to Betts' limit, dash dash is the upper limit of the wind energy captured by a dash dash. 79% vertical axis windmill, 59% horizontal axis windmill, 79% horizontal axis windmill, 69% vertical axis windmill. And the right answer is 59% horizontal axis windmill. Question 10. If V1 is wind velocity faced by the windmill blade and V2 is the wind velocity after passing the windmill blade, then what is the significance of the term V1 upon V2 equal to alpha equal to -1? Options. Wind speed after crossing the windmill is more than the before the windmill. Wind speed before and after interacting with the windmills is same. Wind velocity before and after interacting with the windmill is same. Wind hitting and reversing it with same speed, and the right answer is wind hitting and reversing with same speed.